Welcome back to our channel.
Yes, yo, we're back again.
Yeah, guys. So, to introduce, my name is Esther and here's
Daodu, blessing as always.
Yeah, guys, here's Daodu. So, welcome back to another interesting episode of our YouTube videos. And today we'll be doing something a little fun and exciting.
Yeah.
Funny.
Yeah.
We'll be doing the
7 seconds challenge.
Yeah, 7 seconds challenge.
Shichibyo. Yeah, Shichibyo challenge.
Why you speaking Japanese? Eh?
I'm in Japan, so I need to start speaking Japanese.
Guys, don't listen to him. Anyway, we're going to be doing the 7 seconds challenge. We'll be asking each other questions and you have to answer the questions in 7 seconds.
Yeah, in 7 seconds. It might not be only questions, it might also be like actions, something
whatever,
in
7 seconds.
Crazy to do.
You have to answer.
In 7 seconds.
In 7 seconds.
After mine in 7 seconds.
So guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's go right into the video. Are we going to record the scores for who wins and all that? Do you have a pen with you?
Pen? Okay, yeah, I've got pen.
Okay. So I'll record it down here.
Okay, so straight up.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to record our score.
So she's going first. She's going first this time around. Ladies first as usual. So
okay.
The question is first of all, let's just keep it cool. Keep as much hair as you can in your cheeks. In 7 seconds, you have to keep as much hair as you can in your cheek. Are you ready? Ready? Go. Okay, that's 7 seconds.
I did it.
That's nice. That's very easy now. That's very, very easy now.
I don't care.
That's very easy. Okay, next, my turn.
Yes, okay.
Bring it in, guys.
For yours.
It's very funny. Okay, go. Hit me.
Act like a lady.
In 7 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here are some matching videos.
Oh no, Google.
Hey, Google. Keep quiet. Okay, so in 7 seconds, I need to act like a lady. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay, go. Hey guys, hello. I'm okay. And how are you guys doing today? I'm fine, I think, as you can see. I'm very, very okay. Thank you very much. Did I kill it?
No, that's not how ladies act.
How do you?
That's not how ladies act.
Oh, so you want me to come and act like a troublemaker here, Abi?
That's not how ladies
Then
act.
how do you guys act?
Huh?
That's how ladies act now.
That's not how we act. We don't do, hey, hello guys. What are you doing?
Okay, how do you guys act?
We act natural and cute. Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
That's what I do. Like
my name is Esther.
See,
and
this is how they do.
Like,
she wants to cheat me and just give me the
you were like, hey guys, what was that?
Give me my 1 point. just give me my 1 point.
I'll just give it to you, but that's not how we act.
Ladies, please, in the comment section, please.
Just
say if I did it right or not.
You didn't.
I did. Gosh,
Next question.
Ouch.
Next question. Yeah.
Okay, next question. Describe the person sitting by your side, which is me, with 5 adjectives.
5 adjectives.
In 7 seconds. Ready? Go.
He's kind, he's friendly, he's loving, he's nice.
Okay, time up. That's 5. 5 missed. 0 point. I'm it's time. 0.
That was so fast. I was trying to think of more adjectives to use. It's okay.
You should like carrying love.
Yeah, why did you say it? You say 5. You think
I can.
It's not like you're supposed to say something long, just one word.
Said 5 now.
And just one word. I said 4.
Yeah, you didn't say 5 now. You just said 4. That's 0 now. Next. Hit me.
Okay, next. Sing a song about life in 7 seconds. Are you ready?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Where should? Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready, start.
This life is beautiful. And one thing that to be is falling apart.
Jeez, man.
Oh, this life. What? This song said it has to have like this life. Life.
Yes, if you're from Nigeria, you would probably remember a soap opera we usually watch on TV. I don't know about you guys, but I watched that when I was growing up. After Super Story was This Life.
Yeah.
I usually watch every time. And that song was from that soap opera.
They didn't say make your own original song. Just sing a song that has life in it, man.
Oh my god.
This life, it has life in it now. Am I wrong? My 1 point hit me.
Good.
Hiya, cool. Give me 1 point.
Okay,
Thank
next.
you. Next. Okay, next. Okay, name what you have in your room.
Name what I have in my room.
Yeah.
Okay.
In 7 seconds. Ready, go.
I have a mattress, I have a bed frame, I have a standing mirror, I have a teddy bear, I have a...
Okay. I'll give you that.
Yeah,
There's no particular number, so if you had mentioned
Thanks.
box, okay.
No number.
No, you shouldn't have had mattress in your room now. You should have had mattress in your room now. You say I have mattress, I have...
Are you angry because I'm going to win?
Next
question.
Oh, yeah, next question. I don't ask.
Oh, right. Okay. Say I love you backwards.
I love
you very much backwards.
Wait, in 7 seconds, right?
Yeah, 7 seconds. Say I love you very much backwards. Ready, go.
Much, very, you, love, I. I got it. Love, much, very, you, much. Much, very, you, love, I.
No way!
I
You
got
didn't get
it
it. You
now.
didn't get it. You didn't get it. Maybe you were just doing much, very.
I said it the first time now.
The first time.
Yeah,
Why
now.
didn't you just keep quiet there and not
Can you imagine? Just trying to
Why
kill the
did
time.
you-
So that the 7 we should not wait for 7 seconds anymore now. That's why I have to say. I'll just repeat it again now. Simple now. Much, very, you, love, I now.
But you didn't get it the rest time. You only got it once.
There's no particular number of times I'm supposed to do it now. Just like say I love you very much backwards, right? Then I said much, very, you love, I. 1 point. Right. Ayaku. Right, my 1 point. Ayaku.
Stop speaking Japanese. This is an English channel.
Oh, sorry. I have Japanese fans watching this video. I'm just telling you. Okay, so next is sing all of you without moving. Okay, yeah, this is very interesting. Sing All of You by John Legend without moving your mouth. Ready?
Wait.
Watch this drama. All of You without moving your mouth.
Without
Ready?
moving my mouth like
Yeah,
my
without
lips.
your lips shouldn't move.
Like
Don't at the same time. Don't like You have to sing.
without my lips are just going to be like
Your lips will not move, like just closed.
closed or like
Not totally closed, but like don't make it complicated. You know what I'm saying? Ready, start.
Right.
No.
You're crazy. I said that was crazy, baby. I sang it though. I sang it now. Why you like
What is
this?
no?
I said it now.
Do you think if John Legend is listening, that you think he's going to
I
be happy
said it.
when
I
he
said.
gets this song? Let me just give you the 1 point.
Oh my god.
just take, because I don't understand what this. Take something like simple. All of you, all of you, love your hands and know
Your lips
it's
are
not
moving. Your lips are moving.
See.
Okay, guys. Next question. Sing a song that is inappropriate to play in a funeral. Sing a song that is inappropriate to play in a funeral.
Before I sing this song, nobody should take it personal. It's just a joke. It's just a joke, okay?
What song?
Okay.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready, go.
Big body, yeah. Best egg, big body, yeah. No, I'm sorry.
Guys. Oh my god.
I'm sorry, yeah, like, let me translate the meaning for those that are not Nigerians and those that don't speak Yoruba. The meaning of what I just said is, I think it's a song by, like, Naira Marley, I think. Is it like, Burna Boy, I think it's by Burna Boy, yeah. It's, like, big body is like carry your body. So when you say big body to in a funeral, that's like dance, big body, best pick your legs and everything and dance, and which is quite not appropriate. It's like insulting. We're sorry to everybody offended by it.
There's nothing offensive about it.
Okay, so
next,
that's 1 point for me.
Yeah, that's 1 point for you.
Okay, next your turn is. Okay, next is name three good qualities and three bad qualities about yourself. 3 good and 3 bad qualities about yourself in 7 seconds. Should I give you 1 second to think?
Yeah.
Okay. 1. Done. Ready?
You just said. You're wicked.
Like,
you're very wicked.
Stop. Finish.
I said I was processing 1 minute in my head. You're very wicked.
I have 1 second now. I said yes. Next. Okay, ready? Okay? Ready?
Go.
Go.
Good, kind, loving, bad. I don't know. Stop!
Just thank God you're the one holding it because just write there for yourself. Immediate.
You're giving me the ones that are difficult.
I just acted like a lady now. Do you think guys don't?
Was that a right act?
Please talk to the hands.
I'm a wrinkle.
Kilori. Okay, that's that. So next. This should be easy.
This is yours. Name 8 European countries. Are you ready?
This is what happens when you watch soccer. Chill out.
I'm not going to give you 1 second.
Now. This is what happens when you watch soccer. So it should be easy for me. Okay, ready?
Yes, start.
France, England, Portugal, Netherlands, Germany, Spain, Lithuania, Luxembourg, and
yeah, babe. When you watch soccer.
This is what happens when you're
when you do what? When you're overconfident in yourself, you see your life.
Turkey. Joy, I remember Turkey. Sorry.
You see?
It's easy. I remember. You said 8, right? Oh, I mentioned 7. Sorry.
Yeah, 0.
But it's easy. Chill now. I remember like in 7 seconds. England, France, Greece, Portugal, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Estonia, Iceland, Finland. Chill in 7 seconds. I can't. Like I don't know what happened. Like she kind of jazzed me, kind of. It's fair. Thank you. Finally. But she didn't give me time to think this thing.
No, you don't need time to think. You were saying that you know soccer and you can do it, so there's no point thinking about it.
Fine. Let it pass. No, I'll take it. Let it pass. It's okay. Okay, next. Name 5 cities. 5 cities in Japan. 5 cities in Japan. Ready? Start.
Hokkaido, Tokyo, Tochigi, Saitama, Chiba.
Fine.
I know. I won, guys. I need him to miss 1 more so we can be draw.
Really? So I'm leading.
Yeah. Okay. Next one is say LOL
10 times.
10 times.
Say LOL 10 times.
Yeah.
In 7 seconds, right?
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm about to bring you my British accent. I'm about to bring I'm about to bring in my British accent. Let's go. Ready? Start.
Ready? Start.
LOL, 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 LOL.
Oh. You tried.
This is no try. I killed it. That's my British accent, yeah. I killed it, yeah. That's my British accent, yeah. I killed it, yeah.
Accent. Okay, next one.
Fine. So next one is you should sing a country song. This is very easy for her. Don't
A
mind.
country song.
Sing a country song. Ready? Go.
Country road, take me home to the place
I belong.
yeah,
West Virginia.
Mountain Mama, take me home, country road.
Okay, next.
Okay, I got 1 point. Next, mention 5 cartoons from your childhood.
Chillax. I need
Mention
to,
5.
I need
I'm
to
giving
do
you
this
1
one.
second to think.
Wait, I'm not agreeing to eat it. The other one, I said one thing, you agree to it. So don't put pressure on my own 1 second. Let my 1 second stay. It's my 1 second. Let me make use of it.
No way, maybe this is cheating. I'm not even going to agree to this. Give me the phone and let me start the timer. This is cheating. Give me the phone. Guys, can you see it's cheating? Babe.
You said 5.
Babe, I'll
I mean,
count
what?
the
Repeat the question again.
I said name 5 cartoons from a child. You're
5?
not trying to rehearse it before the
5?
time. Give me the phone.
5.
Ready, your time starts now.
Teletubbies, Pinky and the Brain, Bike and Mice from Mars, Donald the Duck, and Avatar.
You thought about it first. That's cheating. That's cheating. You know, right? That's cheating.
That's not cheating now.
You thought about it before saying.
How did I? You were talking, I was talking, but then I was reflecting.
You thought about it first. That's cheating. I'm not supposed to give you that score.
1 point. What? Write it. 1 point. 1 point. 1
Leave
point.
me alone.
Right, my point. Next one.
Next question.
Next question.
Okay.
So the next
That's
question.
mine.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm not asking next one now. Next question is you should name 4 planets. 4 planets. Earth is not among it.
You're high. Mention 4 planets.
Okay,
Ready, go.
Wait, mention 4 planets. Ready, go.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Pluto, Jupiter. I haven't mentioned 5.
Is Pluto a planet? Pluto is not a planet.
Is what? Is what?
It's a galaxy.
You are high. You just said stars now, moon.
Just write your 1 point here.
I got it, Jai.
Show off. Mercury, Pluto, Mars, just show off you today because you know this is not doing anything. Mercury, Pluto, Mars.
Stop.
Mars, go.
Okay, next. Count from. Bring 3 things that are red. Your time starts.
Wait, no, now chillax now.
What's chillaxing about? I should decide when
Okay,
the time. 3 things that your time starts now. You have destroyed the floor.
Who cares? I came in hot. Red. This baby here is red. Where did I even go for?
That's true. I was holding it so you couldn't have brought it.
I would have got it from you and just put
it
it.
from me. Can you? I won't give it to you. So
my 1 point. I'm winning this. There's no turning back.
okay.
Okay, so we have 2 more questions to go. 2 more questions to go. This is very difficult. Let me make it a little bit easier for you.
Okay.
Let me make it a little bit. Count from 10 backwards.
10. Okay.
Count from 10 backwards. Ready?
Yeah.
Start.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, this is we are cancelling this
No,
one.
no, canceling what?
Let's use the original question.
What's
back.
original
Let's
question?
use the original question
No.
is 20 backward. This
No.
one is too easy now.
No, I got my 1 point. Last question, guys.
Just because I was just trying to be
To be
kind.
what?
I was just trying to just win this point. It's okay. I just let you win.
Last one, guys.
Damn.
Make a phone call to someone. What was this?
Yeah, make a phone call to someone.
Make a phone call.
And
Make
the
a
person-
phone call to someone, and the person must pick up in 7 seconds.
But how are we going to do that? I want to make use of this one.
I'll count.
She said, no, hey Google.
Set timer.
No, just
Are you ready?
yeah, set time for 7 seconds. Am I ready?
Okay, for how long?
Okay.
Hey Google. Hey
Hi
Google.
there. What can I do for the nicest person I know?
Oh, thank you. Set timer for 7 seconds. Hey Google. Set timer for 7 seconds.
Sure, 7 seconds. And we're starting now.
All right.
I'm sorry.
The person didn't pick up your card. Thank
Hello?
you, Google.
Hello? Hey, Alpha.
He didn't pick up his
Hey,
7
Google.
seconds already.
Hey, Google. Stop.
Hey Google, stop.
Cut the call back.
The person picked up after 7 seconds. He was calling his brother.
I was actually calling my brother after that.
Yeah.
The person I tell you call is unavailable. I'm going to fight for this person.
Who did you want to call?
Wilson.
Wilson.
Yeah, he's unavailable. God. Okay, I
Okay.
think that's all.
So yeah, it was a draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It was a draw.
No.
Yeah.
That question I gave to you.
What question did you give to me?
Your own last question. I
Babe,
think
it's over. It was a draw.
He's calling back.
Okay, let's just end the
Okay,
video.
so thank you very much. We
For
hope.
watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Sorry. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and please comment below if you have more video ideas you want us to share with you guys. We're gonna do it. If you want more topics you want us to discuss about us, you can drop the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're just visiting our channel for the first time. Kindly subscribe, like our videos, share our videos. We love you all. Thank you for supporting. See you next time. Bye.